Te ahi kā raka taura te maunga, ko Manukau te moana, ko Thames te awa no London ahau, ko British Airways toku waka, kei te oarake I noho ana. Ko te papa atawhai toku mahi, ko Cameron Johnson ahau. Well, kia ora koutou. It's my privilege to be with you here today and to briefly reflect on my experience at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa and what effect this kaupapa has had on me, both professionally as well as personally. So I think professionally, my experience at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa has really been a catalyst in supporting and igniting my ability as a Department of Conservation staff member to understand and to express the principles of Te Tiriti o Waitangi in all of my work. With the unique privilege that being a representative of the Crown gives me to work alongside whānau, hapu and iwi on a day-to-day basis with taonga species and on wahi tapu towards a space where Papa Tuanuku is thriving, the ability to understand and to express the principles of Te Tiriti o Waitangi and to have tools that tikanga and te ao Māori provides me to move through those spaces with integrity and resilience has been pretty critical to my success and no doubt will be a critical element of our future success as a nation. And on a personal note, I feel very privileged in that this experience has been a bit of a waka of transformation for me, and it's really helped me understand the innate value of acknowledging and connecting to my whakapapa, and in the process actually connected me and my whānau with the long lost whanaunga, which has been priceless. And lastly, I just want to touch on, I think, a personal realization that I had with Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, that the journey that you and I are on is more than the organization that we work for. It's really about the whenua that we live on. With Te Ao Māori as a taonga that is unique to this place, this whenua, it is the ultimate conduit for us to come together as a people and have thriving communities and a thriving Papa Tuanuku. So on that note, mauri ora.